Today, use of force instructors for Austin police testified in the deadly conduct trial for Officer Daniel Sanchez. A grand jury indicted Sanchez in the deadly 2022 shooting of tech entrepreneur Rajan Munasinga. Our report will contain video of that shooting. Sanchez shot Munasinga while responding to a 911 call about him walking around his South Austin home with a rifle. KXAN's Brianna Hollis has today's update live from the courthouse. And Bree, what more did you learn today?
So, Will, each of those three training officers testified that they trained Sanchez themselves, and attorneys spent a good portion of the testimony walking them through the video of that shooting from back in 2022. And to provide some more context before we delve into each side's arguments, we're going to play you side-by-side video of that shooting from two different vantage points.
Draw the gun!
Footage also shows Munasinga firing two shots right around the time officers arrived towards his house. And each of the training officers testified that they would advise trainees to shoot in this situation because there was a reasonable chance Munasinga was shooting someone inside the house or shooting at police. During cross-examination, prosecutors maintained their argument that Munasinga never posed a threat and also brought up that no one was in the house at the time.
It's a pretty good feature of active shooter situations where it's other civilians who are in the area, meaning an active shooter may be shooting civilians, and those civilians are going to run away from the sound of, or away from the location of gunfire. Fair? Or where the gun is. Fair?
No, they could have already been shot.
Some could have been shot.
They heard gunshots. They probably thought he was shooting at somebody or at them.
APD Chief of Staff Robin Henderson also testified today. She previously served as interim chief, and you may remember she was the one who came out with the statement in support of Sanchez back in 2023 when a grand jury indicted him. She did address that statement on the stand, but also acknowledged that it will ultimately be up to this jury as to whether Sanchez committed a crime. The remaining witnesses will testify tomorrow morning. Will.